Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add links to your Facebook profile. So I've already opened my Facebook, and if you are on the home page, you need to first go to your profile and then click on edit profile. Here, just scroll down until you find options link and click on add to add the link. So for example, you want to add the link to your other social medias, you can just add in here, click on add social link, and then just choose the platform. For example, I'm going to choose Pinterest, for example, and then you can just type in your username here. Okay, so for example like that, and you can also add your website if you want here. Okay, for example like that, and you can also set the visible settings of this link, so you can make it public, or you can also make it private by clicking only me, or just click on friends if you want your friends on Facebook can see it. Okay, when you're done, just click on save, and that's it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.